Hello?
Hi, welcome to the pottery class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want glaze my bowl.
You want to glaze your bowl?
That's great. Have you glazed before?
I not glazed before.
You have not glazed before?
No problem. I can show you how.
What I need to start?
You need your bowl and some glaze colors.
Can I use two colors?
Yes, you can mix two colors if you like.
How long it take to dry?
It takes about 1 hour to dry. Then we bake it.
Is it hard to do?
No, it is easy. Just paint slowly.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try glazing.
That's wonderful. Your bowl will look beautiful.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Digital Art Gallery. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy digital painting.
You want to buy a digital painting?
That's great. We have many beautiful works here.
I not buy digital art before.
You have not bought digital art before?
No problem. It's easy.
How do I get the painting?
After you pay, we send it to your email.
Can I print it at home?
Yes, you can print it at home or at a shop.
How much one painting cost?
One painting is $10.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try digital art.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new painting.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rooftop picnic. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if we can share snacks.
You want to know if we can share snacks?
Yes, everyone can share food here.
I not bring many snacks.
You have not brought many snacks?
That's okay. You can try some of mine.
Thank you. What snacks you have?
I have fruit, chips, and cookies.
Can I try a cookie?
Yes, please take one.
These are very good. Did you make them?
Yes, I made them at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to share food with friends.
That's wonderful. Picnics are better together.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the bike rental. Can I help you?
Yes, I want rent a bike for 1 week.
You want to rent a bike for 1 week?
Yes, we have weekly rentals.
I not rent bike before.
You have not rented a bike before?
No problem. It's easy.
What I need to bring?
You need your ID and a deposit.
How much is the rent for 1 week?
It is $20 for 1 week.
Can I return bike any day?
Can I return the bike any day?
Yes, you can return it any day before 6 p.m.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try biking in the city.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your ride and have fun. Hello?
Hi, welcome to our dry cleaner. Can I help you?
Yes, I want clean my dress with natural way.
You want to clean your dress in a natural way?
Yes, we use only natural cleaners.
I not use natural cleaning before.
You have not used natural cleaning before?
No problem. It is safe for clothes and skin.
What is in the cleaner?
It is made from plants and has no strong chemicals.
Is it good for all fabrics?
Yes, it is gentle and good for all fabrics.
How long it take to clean?
It takes 1 day. You can pick up tomorrow.
How much does it cost?
It is $5 for one dress.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try natural cleaning.
That's wonderful. Your dress will be fresh and clean.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the reading club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the poetry night.
Yes, I want join the poetry night.
That's great. We meet every Friday evening.
I not read poem in public before.
You have not read a poem in public before?
No problem. Many people are new.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your favorite poem or write your own.
Can I listen only?
Yes, you can listen or read, whatever you like.
How long is the event?
It is about 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try poetry night.
That's wonderful. We look forward to hearing your poem.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Tech Fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about a new phone app.
You want to know about a new phone app?
Sure. What kind of app do you need?
I not use many apps before.
You have not used many apps before.
No problem. What do you want the app to do?
I want app for learning English.
That's great. We have some good apps for that.
Are they free?
Yes, some are free and easy to use.
How I download the app?
How do I download the app?
Go to the App Store on your phone and search for English learning.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try a new app.
That's wonderful. Enjoy learning with your new app. Hello.
Hi, welcome to our upcycling shoe shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want buy recycled sneakers.
You want to buy recycled sneakers?
That's great. We have many styles here.
I not buy recycled shoes before.
You have not bought recycled shoes before?
No problem. They are made from old materials.
Are they strong?
Yes, they are strong and comfortable.
How much one pair cost?
One pair is $20.
Do you have small size?
Yes, we have all sizes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy eco-friendly shoes.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new sneakers.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the fitness class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to learn about stretching exercises.
You want to learn about stretching exercises?
That's great. Stretching is important.
I not do much stretching before.
You have not done much stretching before?
No problem. I can show you some easy moves.
What I need to do first?
First, stand up straight and reach for your toes.
How long I hold the stretch?
Hold each stretch for 10 seconds.
Is stretching good before exercise?
Yes, stretching before and after exercise is very good.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try new exercises.
That's wonderful. Keep stretching and stay healthy.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the herb garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to pick some fresh mint.
You want to pick fresh mint?
That's great. We have a lot of mint here.
I not pick herbs before.
You have not picked herbs before?
No problem. I can show you.
How I pick the mint?
Just use these scissors and cut a few leaves.
Can I take a lot?
Please take only what you need so others can have some too.
Do I need to wash the mint?
Yes, wash it before you use it at home.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use fresh mint for tea.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your tea and come back anytime.